if we're now at the exponential part of our uh, third wave where we can no longer keep up with the testing that is needed, that's a worrisome sign to me.
Just months ago, Albertans seemed optimistic. Vaccines were on the way, and we were bending the curve. Now, at arguably the worst point of the pandemic yet, demand for COVID-19 testing is surging, forcing Alberta Health Services to pull back on screening for variant strains and darkening the light at the end of a tunnel that seems only to be growing longer.
The first wave in particular, it was the thing that probably saved us, that we had a lot of contact tracers and we had really good systems for following up on that.
Despite variants accounting for more than 1,700 of Saturday's record-breaking 2,433 new cases, screening for variant strains will now only happen in cases of outbreaks in hospital and emergency departments, for healthcare workers, and for those returning from international travel. In a statement to City News, Alberta Health Services says, as the United Kingdom variant is now the dominant strain in Alberta, and we are able to monitor for other variants through a targeted strategy, it is no longer necessary to screen all positive tests for variants. And beginning May 1st, APL will no longer conduct screening tests for the variants of concern on all positive COVID-19 test samples. This change is being made to maintain required lab capacity for general COVID-19 testing, with average turnaround times for results of 24 hours. While AHS responds to prevent an overwhelmed testing system as cases surge now, there could be further-reaching implications as well.
For Albertans and for the world as a whole, we could it'd be important to have data on their community spread. How is the community spread faster than the original variant? Are the vaccines, are they susceptible to the vaccines? We don't know this stuff yet.
Able to complete about 17,000 tests each day, AHS says that Alberta has the most robust strategy for monitoring the evolution of COVID-19, but others aren't as confident in the plan.
We are continuing to have exponential growth. That's pretty evident in our graphs. And we really haven't put in any particularly impressive COVID restrictions. So I have concerns that that things will continue to get worse.
In Calgary, Joe Horwood, City News.